Now the first part in the chapter is related to area and perimeter. So what is area of a circle? If you remember, area of a circle is pi r square. What is circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is nothing but its perimeter, that is 2 pi r. Area of a square, a square. Perimeter of a square, a plus a plus a plus a 4 times. Guys, just remember, perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. Alright. And of a rectangle, area is L into B, and perimeter is 2L plus 2B, 2 lengths plus 2 breadths, which are the 4 sides of a rectangle. These are the basic things that you need to remember. I am pretty sure all of you know. So I'll straight away start with insert solutions. They have said there are two circles of radiuses 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter, and they have asked you to find the radius of a third circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of circumferences of these two circles. So let the radius of first circle be r1, r2, and the third one be r3. So what have they said? The circumference of the third circle should be equal to sum of the circumferences of these two circles. So we get 2 pi r3 equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. So what do we have? 2 pi r3 equal to, here I can take 2 pi common. Remember guys, now these kind of problems, wherever first you write the formulas, wherever you can take something common, take it common, because that makes your calculations very simple. Don't try to sit and find this and this separately. Alright. So I get r1 plus r2. Right. Now 2 and 2 will cancel, pi and pi will cancel. Why? Because when I transpose this 2 pi this side, it becomes by 2 pi. So what do I get? R3 equal to R1 plus R2, that is 19 plus 9. So R3 equal to 28 centimeters. Alright guys, now the second problem, they have said radiuses of two circles are 8 and 6 centimeter. And they have asked us to find the radius of the third circle whose area is the sum of the areas of these two circles. So area of the third circle will be pi r3 square equal to area of the first circle will be pi r1 square plus the second circle will be pi r2 square. So now again I'll take pi common, I can take pi common, so what remains? R1 square plus R2 square. So pi and pi will cancel. See, this is the reason you should try to take common. Don't hurry and find out individually, because then your calculations become very easy. So now R3 square will be equal to R1 square, that is 8 square, plus R2 square, that is 6 square. So R3 square will be equal to 64 plus 36. So R3 square will be equal to 100, which means R3 will be equal to root of 100, that is 10 centimeters. Alright guys, now the third question, they have told you there is an archery target part which has gold, red, blue, black and white stripes. The diameter of gold part is 21, that is what they have said, and they have said each band is 10.5 centimeter wide. So now the diameter of gold band is 21, which means its radius will be 21 by 2. Now what will be radius of the red band? See, it is this plus this thing is 10.5 meter wide, which means it will be this plus 10.5, which will make it actually 10.5 is also 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2, 42 by 2, which is 21. Right? This will be 21. Now this becomes 21. I am keeping not in decimals, I am keeping it in fractions so that you will understand why. Always guys, don't convert immediately anything into decimals. Keep everything in fractions, because sometimes when you calculate, the calculations become easier, because I'll be able to cancel something with something else. You will realize that as I do the problem. Alright. So this becomes 42 by 1 plus 21 by 42 by 2 plus 21 by 1 by 2, which becomes 42 by 2 plus 21 by 2. So this becomes 63 by 2. So this will be 63 by 2, the radius of this. Then next one again we have to add 21 by 2. Actually, I hope you understood what I am doing. Each band is 10.5 meter wide, which means 10.5 is nothing but 21 by 2. So for each thing I am adding 21 by 2. So this band will be 63 by 2 plus 21 by 2, that is 84 by 2. So the radius of this is 84 by 2. And the last band, that white band, the radius will be 84 by 2 plus 21 by 2, that is 105 by 2. So this is 105 by 2. Alright, now what the question is, they have asked us to find the area of each band. Now for the area of the first gold thing, it is the entire circle. So area of golden part will be equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r. What is r? 21 by 2 for the first band. So 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Now here 7 ones are 3s are. I am able to cancel this. Then 2 ones are 11s are. So it becomes 11 into 3, 33, right? 33 into 21, 3 ones are 3, 3 and 6 and 6. So 693. So I get 693 by 2, which is nothing but 346.5 centimeter square. So we got the area of the gold band. Now they have asked us for area of the red band. What is the area of the red band? It is only so much, right? It is only so much. Only this part. So how do I find area of this? This is not a circle. This is like a ring. So how do you find area of this? Area of the whole, this entire circle minus area of this inside circle will give you what is left. So area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle will give you area of the shade part which I have shaded just now. So what do I get? How do I get area of red? Area of the entire red. So what is the this thing? What is that radius? 21. So pi r square, that is r that is red square, minus pi r gold square. So what do? I can take pi common. Inside r square, that is r red square, that is 21 into 21, minus I get rg square. So 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So what will I get here now? 21 into 21, 42. So 441. So here I get 441 minus 441 by 4. So again by taking LCM into 4, here also into 4. So I get 22 by 7 into, that is pi, 4, 6, 1, 4 4s are 16, 17 by 4. Okay, LCM is 4, so 1764 minus 441 by 4. So 1764 minus 441, what do I get? 3, 2, 3, 1. So I get 22 by 7 into 1323 by 4. So now 7, I think it will go by 7. Let's see. 62, 50. It will go. 7 ones are 7. What remains is 6. So I get 62 here. 7 8s are 56. What is the remainder? 63. So I get 9 over here. I get 189. And 2 2s are 2 11s are. So what do I get? 11 into 189. So 189, 9, 8 plus 9, 17. 10, 2, 0, 7, 9 by 2, which is equal to 1039.5 centimeter square. Don't forget to write the units correctly. Unit of area is centimeter square or meter square, and so on. Alright guys, now we have to find the area of blue band. What is area of blue band? Only this part, right? Only this part. This is the part for blue band. So how will I get area of blue band? Basically it's only it's like a ring. So area of this circle minus area of this circle. This whole thing minus this thing will give me area of this. So area of blue band equal to pi red band, pi r square of red minus pi r square of blue, minus pi r square of red. So pi r square of red. Again I can take pi common. Inside what do I get? R square of blue. That is r square of blue is 63 by 2. So 63 by 2 into 63 by 2 minus radius of red band twice. That is 21 into 21. So what we got, pi into, now 63 into 63, we have to do it. 3 3s are 9, 18, 18 1, 36, 37. So 9 6 1, 9 3 9, 6 9. So we get 3969 by 4 minus 21 into 21, 441. Again by 1 and into 4 to take the LCM. So I get 22 by 7 into 3969 minus 441 into 4. So 461, 1764 by 4. So 3969 minus 1764, that is 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 6 0, 9 minus 7 2, 3 minus 1 2. So I get 22 by 7 into 2205 by 4. Now this will go by 7, 7 ones are, 3s are 21, 1 remains, again 1s are 7, 3 remains, 5, again 2 and 11. So 11 into 315, 315 into 315, I get 3465 by 2. So what do we get? 1732.5 centimeter square. So area of blue band is 1732.5 centimeter square. Now how will I get for black? Black is only so much, right? So black, I need for this band. What will you do for that? You will do area of black, the circle with black band as the radius, minus area of this circle. So pi r black square minus pi r blue square. So guys, I hope you have understood how to do this problem. I will do only till here. This and this you can practice by yourselves. So area of black band will be area of this black circle, this circle, minus area of this circle. Similarly for white band, it will be area of this entire circle minus area of this circle. Alright guys, now the fourth question. They are told a car has a wheel of diameter 80 centimeters and they have asked us to find how many revolutions it will take in 10 minutes if it is travelling at the speed of 66 km per hour. So now this is in centimeter, we will try to get everything in centimeters. The first thing is we need to find how much distance the car will travel in 10 minutes. So first of all, the speed is in 66 km per hour. So we have to convert it to 66 km per minute. So how do we convert 66 km? We'll leave it like that itself. How do we convert hour to this thing? What is that? Here it is hours, kilometer by hour. How do we convert hour to minutes? By multiplying by 60. So it becomes 66 by 60 kilometer per minute. Right? If we divide by 60, you'll get it in minutes. So 66, 11s are, 10s are. So it's traveling at the speed of 11 by 10 kilometer per minute. Now we need to calculate how many centimeters it is traveling per minute. So 11, how do we convert kilometer to centimeter? To convert it to meter, we need to multiply by 1000, and to convert it to centimeter, we need to multiply by 100. So this will be this many centimeter per minute. So 10 and we get this. So 11 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it covers 1,10,000 centimeters in 1 minute. So it covers 1,10,000 centimeters in 1 minute. Right? So how many minutes is it traveling? 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, how much does it cover? So we get 1,10,000 into 10, which makes it 11 lakh centimeters. Alright. So it is covering 11 lakh centimeters in 10 minutes. I hope you understood this. First I converted this to kilometer per minute. Then kilometer I converted to centimeter. So I got how much it travels, how many centimeters it travels in 1 minute. Then from here in 1 minute it travels so much. In 10 minutes how much will it travel? So into 10. So it travels 11 lakh centimeter in 10 minutes. Now next. So how many revolutions does it take? So when a wheel goes in one revolution, how much distance does it cover from here to here, right? So the distance covered in one revolution is equal to its circumference. So we need to find the circumference of the circle. So circumference is 2 pi r. So we get 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. They have said diameter is 80, so radius will be 40. So we get 44 into 40, 44 into 40. So 0, 0, 6, 1, 1, 7, 6, 0. So we get 1760 by 7 centimeters. So in one revolution it travels these many centimeters. So for 11 lakh, how much does it need? So what do we have to do? Okay, I'll show you the cross multiplication method. One revolution it travels 1760 by 7. So 1760 by 7. So for 11 lakh, how many revolution? Guys, I hope you know the method of cross multiplication. Wherever you'll always put revolution below revolution, meters below meters. So the same units you will put below each other. Now in one place you'll get two things, in the other you'll get one thing. Wherever two things are there, that will be your numerator. So 11 lakh into 1 is 11 lakh divided by this, that is 1760 by 7. So this is what, for in one revolution so much, for so much how many revolutions. So this divided by this, so this 7 will go up, it becomes into 7. Now does this go by 7? No, no. So we get 0, 0 we cancel, and this will go by 11. So 11, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This 1 0 is cancelled. So 10,000 by 1, 16. 10,000 by 16 becomes 5,000 by 8. This becomes 2,500 by 4. 2s are 1, 2, 5, 0. So 2 1s are 6, 2, 5. So 625. 625 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17. And 7 6 are 42 plus 1, 43. So how many revolutions does a wheel make? 4,375 revolutions. Guys, I hope this is very important, because you need to know how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, or kilometer per minute, or meter per minute, or meter per second. So I hope you remember. See, whenever they say kilometer per hour, it means, if they say kilometer per minute, if they say kilometer per hour, what does it mean? Kilometer by hour, right? So now depending on what you have to convert it to. Let's say we had to convert hours to seconds. So how would you have converted? Into 60 into 60, right? If we had to convert kilometer to meter, so into 100. If we had to convert to centimeter, further into 10. Similarly, if we had to convert meter per second, let's say meter per second, which means meter by second, into kilometer per hour. How do you convert meter into kilometer? Dividing by 1000. And how do you convert seconds to hours? By dividing by 60 into 60. So you would have got something like this. So this is very important to know, not only for this chapter, your next chapter as well. And the last question from the exercise, they have said if radius of a circle is numerically equal to its circumference, which means pi r square is equal to 2 pi r, you have to find the radius of the circle. So now directly pi and pi will cancel, because when I transpose one of them, it becomes division. So now I have, and 1 r square, 1 r and 1 r will cancel again, because when I transpose this r here, it becomes by r. So it will cancel with the r square is 2 r, r into r, so 1 r and 1 r will cancel. So we are left with r equal to 2. So the radius will be 2 units.